Deep in the dense forests, across arid deserts, or on frozen mountain ridges, U.S. Army units move without pause. But behind the roar of engines and the march of combat boots, a scent rises that never fails to lift morale: the smell of hot food from a field kitchen. But this is no ordinary meal. Behind the curtain of logistics and military discipline, Army cooks are waging a different kind of battle. Armed not with rifles, but with knives, spatulas, and their best recipes. In the Army's most prestigious culinary competition, the Philip A. Connolly Award. This competition isn't just about food. It's about how a warm meal can become a weapon of morale, even on the front lines. Launched in 1968, the Philip A. Connolly Award is a collaboration between the U.S. Army and the National Restaurant Association. Its purpose is simple but powerful: to recognize and promote excellence in military food service. The award honors the best units in delivering high-quality meals, whether in fixed installations or tactical environments. But the most intense competition lies in the field kitchen category, where cooking skills are pushed to the limit under warlike conditions. Every year, units from across the globe compete. They bring portable kitchen setups, limited rations, and unshakable resolve. For them, winning this award is not just about reputation, it's a matter of military pride. In warfare, logistics is the backbone of every military operation. And among all logistical elements, food plays a far more critical role than most people realize. This is where the field kitchen category of the Philip A. Connolly competition truly shines. Unlike fixed kitchens built into facilities or dining halls, a field kitchen must be constructed from scratch, in remote locations and under unpredictable environmental conditions. It could be in the middle of a muddy field, a blistering desert, or a rocky mountain battered by sleet and wind. Army cooks must act fast. They deploy foldable tents, portable field ovens, power generators, clean water systems, and heavy cooking equipment, setting everything up within hours, all while maintaining military discipline, energy efficiency, and strict timelines. And the challenge doesn't stop there. They must prepare meals for hundreds, sometimes thousands, of soldiers 3 times a day under strict nutritional standards from the Department of Defense. Supplies are limited, storage is tight, and time is always running out. One mistake could jeopardize the mission or kill the morale of the unit. In this competition, their technical skills are pushed to the edge. It's not just about flavor, it's about logistical strategy, crisis management, and seamless teamwork under extreme pressure. When storms hit or supply trucks are delayed, they must improvise, changing menus, adjusting quantities, and still delivering hot, safe, and nutritious meals. The field kitchen is the ultimate test of culinary warfare. This is where military chefs prove they are not just food preparers. They are an integral part of the Army's fighting force. The Philip A. Connolly competition isn't just about taste. It's a comprehensive evaluation that fuses culinary skill, military discipline, logistical expertise, and battlefield resilience. When the judges arrive, they don't just carry clipboards. They come armed with an exhaustive checklist covering over 50 technical assessment points. Every detail, no matter how small, can make or break a competing unit. Scoring begins with menu planning, which must align with military nutrition standards and be scaled for the entire force. Next comes ingredient management, how food is stored, temperature controlled, and rotated using FIFO principles. The kitchen area must be free from contamination, with a workflow optimized for safety and efficiency. Judges inspect personal hygiene practices, from glove usage and face coverings to foodborne illness controls. Even the way cooks wash their hands is scrutinized. Each cooking step is judged for timing, temperature, texture, and nutrient retention. Final meals must look clean, have accurate portions, and taste balanced. But that's not all. Team dynamics, leadership from the head cook, and emergency response under pressure are all factored into the final score. There's no room for major error. In military operations, one lapse in sanitation could lead to an outbreak, crippling the mission. That's why the Philip A. Connolly Award demands absolute perfection. Not for show, but because lives, morale, and mission success depend on it. Behind every warm meal on the battlefield lies a sense of pride that can't be measured. For military units competing in the Philip A. Connolly Award, the kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. It's a symbol of the unit's honor. Winning the field kitchen category means outperforming dozens of the Army's top teams. But beyond the trophy, it's proof that the unit is combat-ready under any condition, including ensuring their soldiers receive top-tier nutrition when it matters most. A winning unit brings home official recognition from the United States Army. Their name is etched in history, broadcast across commands, and celebrated throughout the ranks. In some cases, winning teams are later assigned to overseas missions because of their outstanding logistical performance. Each dish becomes a reflection of discipline, teamwork, and professionalism. It's no surprise that these winning units are often known as combat and cuisine, because both are critical to mission success. In the military, not all heroes carry rifles. Some carry ladles and wear aprons. They are the guardians of morale, lifting spirits amid exhaustion, stress, and chaos. Delicious, nutritious meals are more than a physical need. They are a psychological weapon. In the middle of rain, mud, or endless desert, a warm plate of food can be the only reminder of home, of family, and of why they fight. The Philip A. Connolly competition reminds us that even in the harshest corners of the military world, quality, care, and humanity remain at the heart of combat strength. Because in the end, no mission is possible with a starving force, and no victory is achievable without morale.